want to give you a quick video look at the EcoFlow Wave with the extra battery. This is the EcoFlow portable air conditioner. You can see right here, we have the battery plugged in. It just snaps on. It'll run without the extra battery also if you have external power. Right here we have our AC power, which I have plugged in. We have right here the solar. If you have the EcoFlow solar panel, it'll plug right in, or any other solar panel. And then right here we have the EcoFlow proprietary plug that, for instance, the EcoFlow Delta Max or Delta Pro will plug in. I'm sure the Delta 2 that just came out will also plug in there. And the extra battery has the same plug, and you just literally snap that in to place, and now you're ready to power it. The only thing I don't like about this is one drawback is that if you're using the extra battery plugged in here, you can't also plug in your Delta Max or your Delta Pro. I would like to be able to use several of these to keep it going for even longer, but that's just a small drawback. You're going to get a lot of use when you use your other external batteries from EcoFlow on this unit, and you get about 3.5 to 4 hours on high using the extra battery. You can see up here we have buttons that'll change all of our modes and everything, and this right here is where you switch your modes, change your power levels, your temperatures, all your settings are done right there. You can see it's a very nice looking display, and it's starting up. I'm trying to keep the air from blowing on my microphone here on my phone so it doesn't mess up the video. But if you want to change the fan speed, you can hear it go down right there. And it's actually pretty quiet for a air conditioner. Right now it's on fan only, and you can set your temperature here. You can move it up and down. I'm gonna put it all the way down, and we're gonna set that to cool. You can see the little snowflake popped on, and that's gonna make the compressor turn on. It'll be a little louder than it was, and then you'll start getting a lot cooler air. There it goes, it's turning on the compressor right now. And we'll just go ahead and turn up the fan a little bit, and I can already feel the cool air coming out. It is cooling off quickly. You can see it on there. And there you go, we're running pretty full power here, and it takes a couple minutes to cool down just like any air conditioner, but as it cools, you can definitely feel it has a very large push of air in there. So if you're in a small area like a tent or a van, a camper van, or a travel trailer or something, this could help you. This is not going to replace your home air conditioner unit that you're used to. It can't do a giant room or anything like that. And a lot of people, I think, that have had negative feedback have all tried to use it as a large unit, something like we have here in the den, which is about 5 times the size of this and uses a lot more power and is not portable. But if you use it for what it's intended to, this thing is really nice. I'm going to turn the fan back down so we're not getting any of that extra. It connects very easily to the app. That has a really nice app. I noticed the later EcoFlow products are connecting a lot better to my app and playing a lot nicer than my original Delta Max. They've really started figuring out that real well. And you're going to get temperatures probably in the mid 50s coming out of this. I have it on low right now. Temperature right there at 65. I think it's probably close to 80 in here. We don't have the air conditioner running. Let's turn it up a little bit and let the temperature come down. And I don't know how accurate it is to use one of these, but you can see the temperature is coming down with the air coming out. If I point it over here where there isn't any, you're in the mid 70s. There we go, we're down in 50s there, low 50s, mid 50s. And it's getting cooler as we go. But as you can see, this is a pretty handy unit. It works very well. Like I said, you need to use it for the intended purposes of a small area or a tent. Maybe if you have a storm come in or a hurricane and you need just some emergency cooling in a small room, this would be great. You've got the different options with the hoses we showed in the review of the front and the back. You know, technically you could set this in another room and port it into your room that you're at, or outside a tent, something like that. But very nice product from EcoFlow. Plays well with all of the other products they come out with, and it can come in pretty handy in a pinch or when you're out in the outdoors.